Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. And my name is Manisha. So today I'm going to share with you guys this look. So as we all know, Valentine's Day is almost here, so I was thinking about creating a really classic look for you guys. So I came up with this one. This is the classic red lips look. So I hope you will enjoy this one, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So for now, let's get into the video. I have already cleaned my face, so for toner I'm using the Lotus Herbals Basil and Cucumber toner, and I'm going to tap it in my skin and let it dry. And then I'm going to moisturize my face. For that I'm using the hyaluronic acid cream by It's Skin, and I'm going to massage it in my skin well. I'm going to apply some lip balm so that my lips doesn't feel so dry, and then I'm going to apply my primer. For that I'm using the L'Oreal Paris primer. I'm going to mention all the product details in my description box, so do check that out. To color correct my dark circles and acne marks, I'm going to use the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Caramel. And I'm going to blend it in with my damp beauty blender. For foundation, I'm using the True Match foundation by L'Oreal in the shade Golden Beige. So it has a really liquidy formula, and it's not a matte foundation. It's a dewy foundation which looks very beautiful for parties, and this foundation looks really nice in the pictures as well. So now I'm going to blend my foundation with a Real Technique buffing brush. And also don't forget to apply foundation on your neck so there is no discoloration. For concealer, I'm going to use the Fit Me concealer in the shade Medium. It's one of my favorite concealer, and most of the time I use this one only. So yeah, and I'm going to blend it in with my beauty sponge. Now I'm setting my foundation, concealer, everything with this Maybelline Compact. For contouring, I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Contouring Palette. I'm using the darker shade from there, and I'm going to contour my face. For blush, I'm using the Wet n Wild blush. So now that my base is done, I'm going to take a quick little shower in this finishing spray, and I'm going to let it dry for a few seconds. And then moving on to eyebrows, I'm using the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, and I'm using this brown shade to fill in my eyebrows. I have mentioned all the product details in my description box, so do check that out as well. Moving on to eyes, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Rose Gold palette, and I'm using this reddish brownish shade, and I'm going to apply it all over my lid, and I'm going to blend it in with my blending brush. Now I'm going to take this dark brownish reddish kind of shade, and I'm going to apply it on my crease area, and I'm going to blend it in with the previous shade quite nicely so that there is no harsh line. For eyeliner, I'm using the Maybelline gel eyeliner, and I'm going to draw a very thick, bold kind of eyeliner for this look. So I'm done with my eyeliner. So now moving on to mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Lash Superstar Mascara. So first I'm going to apply the fiber part of this one, and then I'm going to let it dry, and after that I'm going to apply the black side of this mascara. So yeah, while it's drying, I'm going to apply a nude kajal in my waterline. For that I'm using the Wet n Wild nude kajal. So now that the fiber mascara which I applied previously is absolutely dried out, so now I'm using the black part of the mascara, and it looks really nice, and it gives a really nice look. So for highlighter, I'm using the Makeup Obsession highlighter. This is a very nice champagne color, and I'm going to apply it on my highest points. So moving on to lips, I'm going to line my lips first. For that I'm using the Me Now lip liner, and it's really affordable and quite pigmented as well. So I'm going to line my lips, and also going to fill my lips with this one first, and then I'm going to apply a lipstick. For lipstick, I'm using the Nykaa Creamy Matte lipsticks. this is the mini version of their creamy mattes. So I'm applying the shade 30M. So I'm going to apply it all over my lips, and it looks really stunning. It's a beautiful burgundy reddish color and perfect for Valentine's Day. So now that my makeup is done, I'm going to fix all of my makeup with this fixing spray by Wet n Wild and let it dry, and this is the final look. You like this one, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit that like button. I'll see you guys in my next one, so till then, take care, bye.